Hey guys, welcome to You Cook So Gay. I'm Darius.
And I'm John. And today we're going to show you how to cook for 2 people. So what we have here is a London broil, which we bought a regular size London broil and cut it into half so we can use smaller portions. I put one in the freezer. This one we thawed out this morning, and I put red wine, salt and pepper, and some adobo in it. But you can add garlic powder, garlic salt, you can add fresh rosemary or thyme, fresh herbs, whatever you like. We also sometimes marinate them in Italian salad dressing. That comes out really good too. And we're also going to be doing some grilled vegetables. So in this bowl we have onions, red peppers, zucchini, mushrooms, and no olive oil. If you put olive oil on the vegetables while you cook it, it's going to start to fire and burn them. So we'll put the olive oil on after we're done cooking them. In this little bowl we have some Brussels sprouts, which I've halved, and we're going to start by grilling these first in our grill pan, which I'm going to spray with a little bit of cooking spray. So we'll be right back and show you how it's going.
All right, so we're back, and as you can see, our Brussels sprouts cooked down, and it's time now to add our vegetables. They look wonderful, so you just add them right to our Brussels sprouts. You know, you can add any vegetables you want. You can add asparagus, you can add eggplant, broccoli, whatever you want. Just to make
no olive oil.
Yeah, just no olive oil, and just kind of get that in there and get it nice and toasty. Spread it around, let that cook down.
We're going to close the lid and let them cook with the heat.
Yeah. Just for
I'm trying to pull the Brussels sprouts up from the bottom so they're not on the grate though, because otherwise they'll keep burning. That's good. As you can see, the vegetables are coming along nicely. They're browning up beautifully. So what we're going to do now is throw our London broil on, and we're going to leave it for 8 minutes and then flip it and cook it for 8 minutes more. All the while we're going to be stirring this up so they evenly brown. And then we'll see you in 16 minutes.
Okay. So there goes our London broil, all ready for grilling.
8 minutes each side.
Okay, so there goes our London broil, all ready for grilling.
8 minutes each side.
As you can see, our vegetables are done, and we're ready for our olive oil. You want to just sprinkle a little bit on. Okay, and some salt and pepper. And really you can use any fresh herbs and seasonings you want. Doesn't matter.
You can throw garlic powder, onion powder on it, or
yeah, it's whatever you like.
you could throw feta cheese in this.
So we just put that.
It's like magic in your mouth, and when it's all done.
Absolutely. Just kind of mix that in there. And what we're going to do after that is just let the vegetables steam themselves. And we'll let that sit for about 10 minutes or so while we let the London broil sit.
We'll be back to show you that in a few minutes. All right, so here we are. We're ready to eat. You got your grilled vegetables that have been cooked and they're marinating in their olive oil, salt, and pepper.
It looks great. And
then we have our beef, which after 10 minutes of resting came out perfectly medium rare. And we just drizzle a little bit of Worcestershire sauce over the top of it. And we're ready to eat.
Absolutely. I'm ready to eat it. So this is it. If you like our page, please subscribe to YouCookSoGay.com or follow us on social media. Thank you guys for watching.
See you soon.